Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add watermark on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to camera in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in camera, okay, go to upper right side on your screen. Okay, click the three line on the upper right side on your screen. And go to settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see below the watermark. And okay guys, click watermark. And okay guys, here in watermark, okay, you can see the phone model. Okay, to add watermark on your Realme 5 mobile phone is turn on the switch button on the right side of phone model. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the watermark on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, we can see it in camera. And okay guys, all you have to do is go back and take a shot. And okay guys, okay, and okay guys, we have successfully add watermark on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.